Hey guys, Brian from Spooky Latest here. January 29, 2022, here at Six Flags Fiesta Texas. Real quick short video. I'm just here to get a sneak peek of Dr. Diabolical Cliffhanger. It's apparently gone vertical. That means up. See you inside. Alright, check it out. There's some track right there. Zoom in on that. Got the train coming. This is gonna be special, man. This is gonna be a totally awesome ride, dude. I'm stoked. Look at that. We got pieces way back there. It's gonna be fun, guys. Man, that's a lot of concrete, brother. See, to your right over here is a glory hole. You see that? Man, that's roller coaster talk for you. Don't be nasty, folks. Don't be thinking the bad glory hole. Let's go over here a little bit. We get a closer look. The gates of hell. So they're working like ants, man. They're really pushing to get this up and ready. They got a lot of flitters. They got some pieces over there already assembled. Oh, yeah, it looks like wood, but I guess that's the color scheme that they're going.
Some people said there's a station. Some people said there's where they switch the train.
Man, it's exciting. And my daughter just recently started riding roller coasters, and she's really wanting to do this just off the prototype video. Exciting. All right, let's see if we get some better shots somewhere else. Look at that, guys. Exciting. Let's go on vertical, up and away. That is awesome. There's all the glory holes. Here.